for the slime, and it is 175.
The notorious Daiso clay.
Yeah,
Which glitter do you like?
175.
Thank you. I care. This is good.
Well, you have your
Eat it then.
please change shopping at C.
And then we got the bag.
Okay, it's like 3 days later after we bought all the ingredients, and now we're gonna make
Slime.
the slime. And
Fluffy slime.
we're also going to be getting questions, and we're underage, so we can't drink. So whatever we lie about, we're gonna drink my 4-day-old water.
5, technically.
5-day-old water. All of these cards, so many possibilities. Make the slime.
We start with our precious glue.
Let me ask the first one. Oh, would you rather fuck a goat and nobody know, or have, like never fuck the goat but everyone thinks that you did?
Do it. But nobody knows. What's the biggest fear you overcome?
You.
Huh?
To activate the glue, we use contact lens solution. And you need to add like a lot. And I don't know what to mix it with. I'm gonna choose it blind, so.
Oh.
What's something you would mix it? What's something mix it?
So demanding. Oh my god. Something you know would make you a better person.
What would improve your life, but you just don't want to do it.
Do work. Do my stuff that I need to
real.
do.
That's
School,
real.
yeah.
It's looking like a little bit chunky.
The cards. Oh. What's the most self-serving thing you have ever done?
Like self-beneficial, like not regarding them. I was fucking around with the curtain at my old house, and I broke like the curtain ring, so like the curtain was completely unusable.
Ooh.
And I told my mom my brother did it.
Bad.
I don't think the slime is slimy.
It's not slimy. It's gooping. I don't know what it is.
Daiso clay!
Does that sound from here? Anyway.
How have you dishonored your parents? Oh my god, the glue!
Okay. Have you ever stolen anything? What and why do you still have it?
Oh, when I was in Japan, I like shoplifted a bunch of makeups in my sleeve, and a coworker saw it and they kept walking. I don't think they really care. Nice live reveal.
If somebody's watching this, what? If you had to eat one delectable part of my delicious body, what part would you choose? Wait, what? Mess.
Okay, guys, I'm drinking.
Like a barista.
Wow, it's so satisfying.
It's so pretty, actually.
Oh my god. Guys, slime reveal.
That's our slime.
That's all for today, guys. Make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Make sure that that you like this video.
Peace. I think.
Bye.